What's this place?
It's the Sensory Learning Center.
This stuff looks cool.
This stuff is cool. It will help us learn about your 5 senses: sight, taste, smell, hearing, and touch.
From the moment you wake up in the morning until you go to bed at night, your eyes take in information and relay it to your brain for interpretation.
When you look at an object, you are actually seeing the light that bounces off the object and into your eyes. The light enters your eye through this transparent protective layer called the cornea.
Then light passes through the dark round opening in the center of your eye called the pupil.
I've noticed in the mirror that sometimes my pupils are large and sometimes they get smaller.
That's because of the muscles in the iris, or the colored part of the eye. By expanding and contracting, the iris can change the size of the pupil according to the amount of light that's around you. When you're in bright light, the iris expands and the pupil becomes smaller.
Ah, but if it's dark, the iris makes the pupil larger to let in more light.
You've got it! The muscles of the iris adjust the size of the pupil and determine how much light enters the eye.
Just behind the pupil is the lens. With the help of muscles, the lens actually changes shape to bring things into focus. If you're looking at something up close, the lens will become thicker.
But if you are admiring something far away, the muscles will squeeze the lens to make it thinner, so that you can see the image clearly.
I get it. The muscles around the lens of my eye kind of act like the automatic focus of a camera.
Exactly!
After the lens, the image travels through the vitreous humor. Not that kind of humor. The vitreous humor, or just vitreous, is a jelly-like substance that fills your eye. The light travels through it onto the back surface of the eyeball called the retina.
The retina has over 100 million light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. Rods identify shapes and work best in dim light. They aren't very good at detecting color. Cones, on the other hand, identify color and fine details. They work best in bright light. Both of these types of cells send information to the brain through the optic nerve.
The amazing thing is that when images go through the lens, they are turned upside down. It's the brain's job to turn the image right side up and then tell you what you are seeing. The brain does this in a special place called the visual cortex.
Because your eyes are so important, they have many features to protect them. The eyebrows help block sweat from running into your eyes. Eyelashes help keep out small dirt and dust particles.
And eyelashes also protect your eyes from sunlight or bright lights.
Your eyelids sweep dirt from the surface of the eye when you blink, and they help protect your eyes from injury.
Tears constantly bathe the front of your eye to keep it clean and moist.